Tom Hanks viral. Oh no, not that part.
Yeah, isn't that what it is?
Everyone's seen the
Give me a shot of champagne.
viral Tom Hanks
In the Diet Coke.
In the Diet
drink,
Coke.
and we're gonna blind test it now.
Everybody on the internet is obsessed with it.
How about that?
Would anybody go against Tom Hanks?
That's true.
There we go. So they said three quarters Diet Coke.
Oh yeah.
Down. Okay. I think I probably did too many.
Whatever. Cheers.
All right,
Diet
cheers.
Cocaine.
Huh.
I would drink that.
Oh, that's good. It's the only cocaine I've ever done.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I'm a fan. It's mostly pop. It's like hardly any alcohol.
I guess that's true. You did what? A little bit over a shot?
Two shoes.
Yeah, big fan. Cheers.
We added more prosecco
I didn't know nothing, I was stupid, I was foolish.
or champagne.
Yeah.
And it just tastes like flat pop now.
Yeah, it
So
tastes super
it
weird.
definitely
The ratio.
yeah,
of
it needs to be the right ratio.
mostly pop.
Yeah.
The refreshingness is gone now. Now it just tastes like sad movie theater pop. You know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Blah, blah, blah.